Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start, navigate to the settings, and inside we want to select system. Scroll down and locate recovery, go for reset this PC. Then you can either choose to keep all of your files or remove everything. In this case, I'm gonna remove everything. And now we can perform cloud download or a local reinstall. And I recommend to go with the latter, which is a local reinstall. And here's a sum up of everything what's gonna happen to this console. And we can click on next. Here we'll need to connect it to the battery power source. So now the reset is finished. It actually took around, I think, half an hour to an hour, and we can begin with the setup. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.